Well, the guys at BuyTwoWayRadios saved my bacon again. This is David Gilmore, known as LDS Prepper, and I thought I had ruined my brand new radio I bought for my wife for Christmas last night. I was messing around, playing with it, doing things you're not supposed to be doing with it, seeing if I could make it do things it's not supposed to do, and I could not get it to work properly. I was up till midnight trying to fix my errors. So I called the guys at BuyTwoWayRadios, and they put me through to tech support at Tanner. And he knew exactly what I had done. He said, "Did you try to expand the frequencies?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Did you use Chirp to download from the radio?" "Yes." "Did you use Chirp to upload to the radio?" I said, "Yes." He said, "Okay, then you need to do this because this radio was locked up. It would not go into memory mode. It would only be in VFO mode." He said, "Turn off the radio." So I turned off the radio. He said, "Hold down button number 2 right here and then turn on the radio, and that will reset it." And so that's what I did. You can see that it's in model 2, and now the radio works. You can see if it works on that frequency there, and also that frequency there, and all the other frequencies I installed on it. So if you're messing around and you use Chirp to upload to your KG-UV9D mate, which is the radio that my wife and I depend on to communicate in emergencies and also in fun, because it's the best, in my opinion, the absolute best handheld amateur radio, 2 meter, 70 centimeter radio you can buy. It's 10 watts. If you've messed with yours and you've expanded the frequencies or uploaded or downloaded with Chirp and you need to fix it, I just saved you a phone call to Tanner, which I greatly appreciate. Thanks so much, Tanner, at helping me get straight. All you need to do is turn off the radio, push down the number 2 key, turn the radio on. It'll go in that second mode, and that'll fix everything in the radio. Hopefully this has been helpful to you. If you want to learn more how my wife and I use these radios for emergency communications and just when I'm working around the property, please watch the videos down here below and why I don't recommend buying a Bofeng UV5R radio. Even though I've got a bunch of them, it's not what I would recommend. This is the one that we rely on heavily and count on for reliability. Take a look at the videos here. I'll have some other videos on how to use this radio. There's some really cool functions and features on here that you'll want to know about, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe and you like this video and click that bell button so it's black so you get notified when I upload my next video and how you and your family can keep in contact in an emergency or around the property or while you're RVing or camping, out hunting or whatever, with a reliable radio supported by the guys at BuyTwoWayRadios.com. Thanks again, guys. Don't get a radio from a big box store where you have nobody to call for support. Get them from BuyTwoWayRadios.com. Links are down below this video that will support them as a small American business and support me here on this channel. Thanks a lot. This is David Gilmore reminding you, if you are prepared, because you bought your radio at BuyTwoWayRadios and you can give them a call and they can get you out of the mess you got yourself into, you shall not fear.